This is a real washing machine, Kurt. Not that bullshit TR series you got. TC5, baby. This is a real washing machine. I'm about to show you some real wash action. You ready? Real wash action. From a real washing machine. You ready? You about to see. You see that? It's real. It cleans. Look what it's doing. Your shit don't clean worth a fuck. Look at it dragging them drawers. Dragging them down. It must suck not having a real washing machine. A real washing machine. Happy New Year's, bitches. Because this is a real machine with real wash action. Real. It works. It ain't throwing the clothes around like a fucking fool. Real wash action. This is a real washing machine. You couldn't give me a TR series. I'll take the TC5 Classic. Real washing machine. People want actual clean clothes. The TR series is not meant for dirty ass laundry, but this one is. Real washing machine with real hot water, real cleaning. See that? It cleans really good because it's a real washing machine for real people who want their clothes clean. Watch my pants. They're gonna get sucked down. Unlike the TR series, it don't do this. Bye bye pants. See you on the flip round. My gray shirt's done come up at least 4 times already. There it is right there with the red stripe. A real washing machine. And there it goes. Actual cleaning. Not that bullshit you sell. Oh yeah, and Sharky626, you still a bitch.